What is a cloud soap? It is a typical soap that removes dirt and sweat on your body. But the special thing about cloud soap, you have to use cloth or foaming net and make a bubble out of it. By doing so, your body will absorb all the ingredients that comes with the soap. Luxe Organix Niacinamide Brightening Cloud Soap. It has niacinamide, vitamin C, and galactomyces. This soap lightens skin pigmentation, brightens skin, reduces dark spot and acne marks, brighter and glowing skin, produces more collagen, and keeps skin supple and elastic. Luxe Organix Aloe Vera and Snail Moisturizing Cloud Soap. It has aloe vera, snail mucin, and Centella Asiatica. This soap provides moisture on dry and irritated skin, helps calm the skin, strengthens skin's natural barrier, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, balances out pH level, and keeps skin supple and elastic. Luxe Organix Bentonite Exfoliating Cloud Soap. It has bentonite clay, activated charcoal, and apple cider vinegar. This removes impurities within pores, dries out blemishes, reduces excess oil production, produces more collagen, and makes skin supple and elastic. Luxe Organix Niacinamide with Centella Asiatica Cloud Soap. It has niacinamide, Centella Asiatica, and chamomile extract. This soap soothes and calms irritated skin, lightens hyperpigmentation, promotes collagen production, reduces wrinkles, and keeps skin plump and supple. The Luxe Organix Cloud Soaps are all alcohol-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and made in Korea. To use, place soap inside the foaming net, slightly moisten the soap with water, and gently rub until it forms into a creamy lather. Then apply on your skin. After that, rinse thoroughly with water. Just a reminder, this product is for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes and conduct a skin test first before using it. Stop using and consult a doctor if skin becomes red. Thank you for watching. Till next time.